live on the earth is in the shape of a huge ball having 71% water surface and 29% land surface on it. Simply, 3/4 of the earth is covered with water bodies and only 1/4 of it is land where we all live on. Do you know how these land masses on the earth's surface are formed? Long, long ago, all these land areas were joined together. All these land areas were not flat. There were ups and downs. Due to natural calamities like earthquakes and tsunamis, water submerged the lower land surface. It has created the large land area surrounded by water. These big land masses on the earth's surface that are surrounded by water are called continents. These continents are covered with large expanses of water called oceans. There are 5 oceans. Continents. There are 7 continents, namely Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, Antarctica, and Europe. Asia. Asia is the largest continent on the earth. 30% of the earth's total land has been occupied by Asia. Our country, India, is also located in Asia. India is called as subcontinent. The world's highest peak, Mount Everest, is here in this continent. Africa. The second largest continent is Africa. The world's longest river, the Nile, and the largest desert, Sahara, are located in Africa. North America. This is the third largest continent in the world. Christopher Columbus discovered this continent. Mount Denali, Mount McKinley in Alaska is the highest mountain peak in this continent. South America. This continent is joined to North America by the Isthmus of Panama. The famous Amazon River and rainforests are in this continent. Australia. Australia is the smallest continent in this world. This continent is completely surrounded by water. So, it is an island country too. The Great Barrier Reefs, Great Australian Deserts are located in this continent. Antarctica. We call this continent as White Continent because it is always covered with snow. This is the 5th largest continent in the world. Europe. This continent is also small in size with many features. Europe and Asia together is known as Eurasia. Oceans. There are 5 oceans on this earth. They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. It separates America from Asia. The world's deepest trench, the Mariana Trench, lies in it. Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean separates North and South America from Europe and Africa. It has the Mid-Atlantic Ridge with many high peaks. Indian Ocean. It is the third largest ocean. It exists in between the three continents Africa, Asia, and Australia. Antarctic Ocean. Antarctic Ocean is around the Antarctica that surrounds the South Pole. During winter, the Antarctic Ocean freezes into icebergs. Arctic Ocean. It surrounds the North Pole. It is covered with ice all the time. Most of these northern regions are covered with ice throughout the year. The following questions. What are called continents? Name the continents. Big land masses on the Earth's surface surrounded by oceans, large expanse of water are called continents. There are 7 continents, namely Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. How many oceans are there? Name them. There are 5 oceans. They are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Antarctic Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. How does Antarctic Ocean looks during winter? During winter, Antarctic Ocean looks like a sheet of ice freezing into icebergs. Write a few lines about Antarctica and Pacific Ocean. Antarctica. This is always covered with snow and called as White Continent. This is the 5th largest continent. Pacific Ocean. This is the largest ocean. It separates America from Asia. The world's deepest trench, the Mariana Trench, lies here. Who discovered America? Christopher Columbus discovered America. Name the longest river and largest desert in the world. The world's longest river is the Nile, and the largest desert is the Sahara Desert. The following.